Okay, class. Today we will be doing vocabulary words.
Excuse me, Miss Kate. Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Yes, but be back in 5 minutes or less.
I'm going to knock down those vending machines.
Hey! Stop!
Oh shoot! It's Principal Dave.
Boy Blooper. Were you trying to knock down those vending machines?
Yes I was.
Boy Blooper. I can't believe you tried to knock down those vending machines. You know knocking down vending machines could cause damage. But luckily I stopped you from trying to knock down those vending machines. That's it. You're suspended for 3 days. Go home now while I email your parents about this.
Void Blooper. We can't believe you tried to knock down 2 vending machines and got suspended for 3 days. You know knocking down vending machines could cause damage. But luckily Principal Dave stopped you from knocking down the vending machines. That's it. You young man are grounded for 3 days.
Upstairs to your room. Right now.
Gosh darn it. This sucks.